Dongguan Yifan Digital Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise with independent intellectual property rights, professional R&D, production, and sales of digital inkjet printing machine. The company covers an area of 15,000 square meters, has more than 100 employees. The core research and development team has 6 years of industry experience. We together create 5 series of products: Epson inkjet printer, UV flatbed printer, UV roll-to-roll printer, UV hybrid printer, and sublimation direct printing machine. It has provided a mature application solutions for advertising, digital 3C products, glass, tiles, leather, textile, decorative building materials. Our products are exported to Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, more than 50 countries and regions. Provide satisfactory service and establish a customer reputation and brand image. With the printing industrial development, printing is not only application for advertisement. From house decor to commercial buildings, even DIY products, you can see printing every time and everywhere. Fortune's printer is leading people makes their life colorful and comfortable. The company always adhere to the people-oriented, quality first, reputation as the most important, service business philosophy to create a digital printing industry's outstanding team, to do the industry's stable high-quality digital printing equipment, to better achieve customer satisfaction. Let the products popular all over the world.